All right, so I'm not sure where this will get added to. I mean, it's obviously starting a new video, so welcome. But today I'm working on getting the harness bar made. I've gotten, like, the driver's side is kind of done. Now I just need to get another good bend out of the tubing kinker. Call it a kinker because I almost had a nice tube, but she kinked it, sadly, so I don't want that. Yeah, flip the camera around and show you what I got. Alrighty, so this is kind of what I came up with. So it's bent down at probably like an 80 degree, 90 degree angle. Then it goes across. It's using that bowl hole. Same thing for that side. And obviously I had to cut it, and I'll have to just re-weld it, which kind of sucks. But I have it hidden behind the passenger seat, and I'll probably try and clean it up as best I can. So it's pretty much directly behind it. I believe that's what you want. I think it has to be within like 15 degrees or something like that. So, but yeah, so one down, and we'll start on the other side. Oh, and this is the tubing kinker I have. If you ever need to, like, if you want a tubing bender, don't get this. Don't get this. This kind of sucks. It doesn't work the greatest. Get one that mounts into the ground. I know that, like, might not be the thing. Maybe you can mount it into like a stump or make a platform, but that would be the way to go, because these are not the greatest. They're a kinker, not a bender. So, but yeah, let's give this again. All right, so there's what we got so far. So we're gonna get it bolted in and see how it fits, and then we got to make some. There's like 2 bars, I think. I could just do 1, but I think, well, 2 will look more symmetrical. So if you feel up underneath here, there's actually a hole right here. Same thing over there. So I could actually put a bolted nut through. So game plan is we'll just have to mark and drill some holes and then put a bolt through, and hopefully that'll be the best solution. And then we'll have to use up some, I probably will use up some, either like some of this little tubing or chop up and use some of these. Probably those, because those are solid rod where those are hollow. So, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get this thing in. Alrighty, so there it is. Got it bolted in. Now we just need to drill the holes. So I went ahead and made these little marks on the window. That's the center of those holes there. So now all we got to do is come in here, drill a hole there, and drill a hole there, and we just got to make some drop-down tablets or tabs. So let's do that. Alrighty, so got the holes drilled, going with the 10 stake method. So I kind of marked them. So we got the front. I'm going to drill a hole in the back so that way we can cut these short, and just shove them in, and then I'll weld around them. Too easy. So let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, so I just drilled the holes, put those in, got them tacked in, so now I got to pull them out. So let's go ahead and get it pulled out. Alright, so figured might as well do a little paint match. I needed to paint my RC body anyhow, so mixed up a little bit, and it's painted same color as the Furo. So hopefully this thing should be dry in like half hour or so. So once that's dry, then we'll get it put in for reels, and then that'll be, well, it won't be in for reels because it'll have to come back off for when the harness bar gets here, or the harness itself gets here. But other than that, pretty much done. Alrighty, so we've already snapped off one bolt on the hot side. I've kind of messed up the hot side, just using the air hammer, trying to use it. That didn't work, but I did find that this seems to be working. So pretty much all I did is it's a bolt and nut that's this long, and then you got a sleeve over it. And you just tighten from side to side. It just released on this side. So I think if I go back to this side, kind of go back and forth, it should come right out. So little tip for you if you ever have a hot side that doesn't want to come off. And then like the bolts, I had the one snap off. It doesn't really matter. This hot side will get replaced eventually. I'm going to run it though for the meanwhile until I get it, because it's like $250 and I don't want to spend that right now. So, but yeah, that's good. So keep going here. Alrighty, I don't think I showed it, but I got a new steering wheel. I'll be getting rid of this chrome because I'm not a fan of it, but this steering wheel is a deal, so I got it. Definitely happy with that. Harnesses in. Let's see here. Got some nice Sparcos. I've yet to replace the bottom ones. That'll happen at a different time. And the harness bar's in. It's working pretty good. I think that's all I did. I'm pretty sure that's all I got. So today is new turbo time. So I have a new, well, it's off a water pump I got, or a block that I got from a buddy that has a chip piston. So it looks all right. So I went ahead and drilled a hole and tapped it for AN16 or AN6. And then that's pretty much just gonna come off right about here. And then we're gonna feed that to the turbo, and then from the turbo back into this metal pipe right here. So I've already went ahead and made up this. Just got some nice wrinkle paint on there because I had a stupid amount of welds because I had pressure tested it, and it was just had like little pinholes everywhere. So yeah, it was not fun. So we got a new gasket for the water pump, so that'll be something we'll be doing today. Well, I mean, everything should be done today, so as long as I have everything. Yeah, so let's just jump right into it and get this turbo on there. Well, Hero's done. Knocking. Oh, great. Tight, I think. How's the look? Yeah. There she goes. Alright, I'm going to end the video that you guys just watched. It would have been the turbo install and all that stuff, and then, you know, literally just blew it up. So now that I've took apart the motor, you'll have to wait till the next one to see what it is, because I'm that kind of guy, I guess. And, yeah, basically, wasn't my fault. Fuck you, GM. You screwed me. Or whoever the idiot was that did something you're not supposed to do. So, you guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. And, yeah, that's all I got. Store Frontier if you want a purple lover setup. It's dope.